welcome back to my channel. As you all know, Valentine's Day is just around the corner, so I thought why not share with you guys some gift recommendations. Today I have some really amazing gift hampers from Salty which are starting from 499. You can give this to your girlfriend, to your sister, to your friends, literally anyone. There is something for everyone right here. I also have a coupon code that I'm going to be sharing at the end of the video for even better discount. So make sure that you watch the video till the end and let's begin. First, we have this very beautiful radiant love box. First of everything, I love the packaging. It's just for rupees 499. It's such a budget friendly option. I love how it also comes with a very pretty note. As soon as you open this box, this is what you will get. It features a 4-piece zircon heart clover magnetic necklace along with a silver promise ring. This is such a good gift idea. These are anti-tarnish. At the same time, I feel it's such a memorable gift. I mean, you're gifting a promise ring to someone along with a necklace. It's such a perfect combo. Both of these pieces are so classy. They look so good. And the best part about it is that she can not only wear it for that particular occasion, but she can also wear it on a day-to-day basis. So in a way, you're gifting her a very versatile piece that she can actually wear on an everyday basis and also on special occasions. Next up, we have the exceptional box, which is a premium gift box under rupees 1500. Trust me, she would love it. This is what the packaging looks like. This also includes
a personalized card, chocolates, zircon heart necklace, freshwater pearl hoops, tactile heart earrings, and set of 9 chunky pearls and stars.
What I personally love about this exceptional box is that it includes everything that your loved one would really need. Right from earrings, be it pearls, be it studs, be it these gold ones. These are the ones which are classic. These are the ones that we girls need, and this is such a must-have. Apart from this, you are getting a necklace which was also a part of the previous box. So you're getting that necklace in this box as well. I really like that necklace. That is a magnetic necklace that makes it a +1. Apart from that, we have the very beautiful bow and pearl earrings. Along with that, you're also getting a card from your end to her and also chocolates, which makes everything better. Lastly, I'm going to talk about Salty's Valentine special 7-day advent calendar. Look at the packaging, you guys. It's so pretty. Hear me out. I love advent calendars. I love the idea of advent calendars. I absolutely love this. The reason behind that is this entire Valentine's week is something that is going to talk about your bond with that loved one, and when you will actually gift her this, that would be the most special thing ever. The reason behind that is, in case you guys don't know, an advent calendar is basically a gift box in which there are dated gifts. When I open this, this is what it looks like. So as you can see, it has numbers written all over it. So every single day she has to open one particular gift box and she will get one gift inside it. So basically, you're making her week even more special by giving her one gift a day, and all of that is in this one gift box. You don't have to give her 7 separate gifts. You can just give her this advent calendar and you're good to go. This gift is under rupees 2500, and trust me, if you give this gift box, she would literally be so emotional and so overwhelmed. I mean, I'm totally in love with this one. The packaging is so pretty. I mean, just look at it. I really love the packaging, and let me show you what are you going to get in each and every day. These were all the gift hampers that I had to share with you all. Trust me, you guys, Go shop for these hampers right now. This is the perfect gift for the Valentine's Day. They have literally everything from budget friendly options to a more premium version. So what are you waiting for? Go grab one for your loved one, and trust me, she would love this. It has everything, right from classy and basic pieces to very different and very trendy pieces right here. It has personalized notes. I love the entire concept behind all of these gifts, and I would love for you guys to go and check them out for yourself. I've mentioned all the links in the description box below, so go and shop now and then thank me later. Also, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you can use my discount code SNEHA10 for additional 10% discount on your purchase. That's all for this one. I hope you have an amazing Valentine's Day. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.